I'm Evan here at Adventure Van Expo from Rollercam. And this is our Rollercam product. So this is your traditional cam strap that everybody knows and loves. One critical flaw with these though is they have a super high friction point right at the back here. So when I pull on this strand to tighten everything down, most of the force I'm putting into that pull is going right into this bar. What we do with our products is we add this brass roller right here. That reduces friction and allows you to put a lot more force into the strand that you are tightening. When I compare that with this traditional cam strap, I mean, I can move it, but it's pretty hard to move it. So this is our kind of primary innovation for Rollercam. Most of our other products have been built on top of this. So this is our flagship product for this year. It is our rope roller. It's kind of a take on the traditional trucker's hitch, but it's a hardware piece that you can just leave. Press the button, it loosens, pull tight. Works just like any sort of rope progress capture device. Tightens down easily and effectively. People love to use this for all sorts of applications, from tying your awning down in the wind. I personally use it to bike pack. I use it to tie dry bags down to the back of my bike. Keeps everything stable through super rough terrain. You can use it for backpacking, any sort of lighter weight application. Our rope roller comes just like this in a pack of 6 and comes with cordage ready to be thrown in your car or toolbox. So this is our newest product, hot off the press. It's the Spider. It's great for tying anything down to the top of your rig, inside, anything where you have a lot of like loose bags. It has 6 of these cam straps. We use one wider cam strap for orientation. So this strap is kind of your marker that you align this off of, and you tighten everything down super simply and easily. We run this at $95, and we're just starting to ship this out in the next couple weeks. So all of our cams, from the rope roller here to this 1-inch cam, are made of a Zamac alloy, which is rust resistant. It's a alloy between aluminum and zinc. We also use stainless steel rods to hold the roller and the cam in place, and stainless steel springs internally to prevent any sort of erosion, rust, or wear on the cam. Depending on your use case, we have a number of different sizing options for our cam straps. We have a 1-inch option for your mid-range load. These are rated at about 350 pounds. We have an 1.25 inch that's rated about 500 pounds and is more abrasion resistant. And we have these 3/4 inch cam straps, which are great for backpacking and lighter weight applications. Here at Rollercam, we've created a number of kits that apply to a number of different applications. Here's one of our most popular kits. It's the Molly kit right here. It comes with a number of items seen here, and it comes in a lovely screen printed box that I screen printed myself. You can purchase or learn more about Rollercam products at rollercam.com.